The digital product for kids is honestly one of the most fascinating ideas I've come across. I mean, if I were a kid again, I'd totally enjoy learning the alphabet this way. It's just such a fun and creative method of teaching. Now, let's look at what really matters here. Does this product actually make sales? When we scroll up a little, we can see that the seller is pricing this product at just $2.85. That's a fantastic price. And when we scroll down a bit, we notice that the seller clearly mentions it's a digital product, which, of course, is exactly what we care about. Then, if we take a quick look at the reviews, all the ratings are amazing, 5 full stars. That means buyers really love this product, and that's always a great sign. Now, let's take a closer look to understand what this product actually is and see if we can design something similar together. It turns out it's made up of pencils. Each pencil represents a letter of the alphabet and has 3 circles on it. On the next page, those circles are shown separately, each with words starting with that letter. The child's task is to cut out the circles with the words and pictures and then stick them on the matching blank circles on the pencils. So basically, the child learns both the alphabet letters and the words that begin with them, all through this fun, hands-on activity. I think this product is absolutely brilliant. I really loved it. And now we're going to design it together, step by step. First, we're going to create a brand new design with the dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. Once that's ready, head over to the Elements tab and search for pencil. You'll see a bunch of different pencil designs pop up. For example, I'm going to pick this one right here. Next, we'll rotate the pencil slightly so that the pencil tip points upward toward the top of the page. That just gives it a cleaner, more organized look. After that, let's make the pencil a bit bigger like this. Perfect. Each page will have 2 pencils, so let's go ahead and design the first one now. Then I'll press the letter C on the keyboard to add a circle. I'll change its color to white and give it a black outline with a thickness of about 2 points. Once that looks right, I'll duplicate the circle 2 more times, so now we've got 3 of them. Finally, I'll arrange the 3 circles neatly right on top of the pencil, all lined up in order. Next, I'm going to press the letter T on the keyboard to add some text. Once it appears, I'll change that text to the letter A. Then, I'll switch the font to Genty Sans, which is honestly one of my favorite fonts for kids' designs. It's fun, friendly, and super easy to read. Now, I'll change the color of the letter A to yellow, matching the same color as the pencil we just created. That way, everything looks cohesive and bright. Finally, I'll place the letter right at the top of the pencil, perfectly aligned. And just like that, we're done designing our first pencil, the one for the letter A. Looks adorable already. So, we mentioned earlier that each page will have 2 pencils, right? Perfect. Now I'll simply duplicate the first pencil we made and place it right next to it. This second pencil is going to represent the letter B. To make things more fun and visually appealing, let's give each pencil its own color. So I'll change the color of this second pencil to red. Then I'll head up to the top and replace the letter A with B, just like that. And of course, I'll also change the color of the letter B to red, so it perfectly matches the pencil's color theme. Now we've got a yellow pencil for A and a red one for B. It's already looking super cute and colorful. And just like that, we've finished designing the first page. You probably know this already. The first page is always the hardest one. Once that's done, everything else gets so much easier. So, to create our second page, we'll simply duplicate the first one. Then I'll go ahead and delete the pencils because for this page, we only need the circles. Remember, this second page is the one that will include the pictures and words that start with the letters A and B. So the child will be able to cut out those circles and match them with the pencils on the first page. Super fun and interactive. The idea here, just so you can visualize it clearly, is that the first page will have the pencils for letters A and B, and each pencil will include 3 white circles. Then, the second page will feature circles that contain pictures and words starting with those same letters. The child's task will be to cut out those circles and paste them right on top of the matching pencils. Alright, let's continue together and start designing the second page. We'll begin by arranging the 6 circles neatly across the entire page, making sure to leave enough space between them. That way, kids can easily cut them out without any trouble. Next, we'll change the circle outlines from solid lines to dashed lines to give a clear visual hint that these are meant to be cut along those lines. This small detail really helps children understand where to cut. After that, I'll start adding text labels underneath each circle. And don't worry, I'll leave you a special file that includes a list of words starting with each letter of the alphabet. You'll find that file in the pinned comment and also on my Telegram channel. The link will be right there in the pinned comment as well. I've carefully selected these words so they're simple and kid-friendly, perfect for this activity. Now I'll open the file, scroll to the letter A, and copy the words that start with it, like apple, ant, and airplane. I'll place each one inside the first 3 circles. Then I'll do the same for the letter B, choosing 3 words from the file and putting them in the next 3 circles. And that's how our second page comes together beautifully. Now that we've added the words under each circle, it's time to make things even more fun. Let's add pictures inside those circles. All I'll do is search for each word inside the Elements tab on Canva. Pick the image that looks the most appealing and kid-friendly and place it right inside the circle. You'll notice how these colorful illustrations really bring the whole page to life. They make the design bright, cheerful, and perfect for kids. We'll keep going just like that until all 6 circles are filled with 6 matching images. So, for example, the circle with the word apple, which starts with the letter A, the child will cut it out and paste it right on one of the blank circles on the A pencil. Then they'll keep doing the same for every other letter, all the way through the alphabet. It's such a wonderful and creative way for kids to learn, matching letters, words, and pictures all together while having fun. And now we've officially finished designing the most challenging part of this book. From here on, things get so much easier. For the remaining letters, like when we move on to design the 3rd page for letters C and D, all we need to do is duplicate the first page, then simply change the letters and update the pencil colors. Remember, we said earlier that every letter should have its own unique color. That's what makes the design more engaging and visually exciting for kids. So for C and D, just pick 2 new fun colors and replace the letters accordingly. After that, we'll create the 4th page, which will be the one with the circles, the cutting activity page. We'll do exactly the same as before. Duplicate the 2nd page, then replace the words using the file I'll leave for you in the first comment. And finally, change the images inside those circles with new ones that match the new letters. It's super simple and quick once you get the hang of it. Just repeat the same process for every pair of letters until you complete the entire alphabet. Honestly, I don't think this design will take you more than half an hour to complete. And when you're done, you'll have an absolutely amazing book ready to go. Once it's finished, you can upload it to Amazon or list it on Etsy. And trust me, the competition for this kind of product is almost non-existent, which means there's huge potential for great sales. These kinds of creative educational designs really stand out and attract parents and teachers who want fun learning materials for kids. After we wrap up the design, we'll simply download the entire book as a PDF file, and then we'll go ahead and upload it directly to both Amazon KDP and Etsy. It's such a simple process, and the results can be incredible once your book is live and ready for buyers. If you want to see more awesome designs like this one, make sure to head over to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment on this video. It really helps me keep going and creating more free content for you all. You'll find my channel absolutely packed with amazing free designs that honestly, you won't find anywhere else on YouTube. I walk you through every single step, teaching you all the details, completely for free. I'll see you in a new video very soon, my friends. Take care and goodbye for now.